Toyota held the reliability crown for nearly 3 decades. For 27 straight years, it sat at the top of every major dependability study, every Consumer Reports ranking, and every long-term ownership survey. But in 2026, that crown has finally changed hands. A manufacturer almost nobody saw coming is now sitting at the absolute peak of SUV reliability, with the highest dependability score ever recorded in Consumer Reports history. Today, we're breaking down the 10 SUVs launching in 2026 that are completely redefining what it means to build a vehicle that actually lasts. Stick around until the end because the #1 pick on this list is genuinely shocking, and it comes with such an aggressive warranty that rival manufacturers publicly complained about it. Let's dive in. Number 7. 2026 Lexus GX550. Land Cruiser Bones, Lexus Brain. Most people buy a Lexus for the badge. Smart buyers choose the GX550 because they know exactly what's underneath it. The GX550 is built on the same rugged platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, one of the most indestructible vehicles ever made. It starts with a proven body-on-frame foundation. Then, Lexus drops in a turbocharged 3.4-liter V6, producing 349 horsepower into a 5,500-pound vehicle. The key detail, this same engine is designed to tow over 12,000 pounds in truck applications. In the GX550, it's working at roughly half its capacity. An engine running well below its stress limit doesn't wear out quickly, it just keeps going and going. The four-wheel drive system uses real mechanical locking differentials instead of electronic clutch packs that can burn out or software systems that can glitch. These are simple, mechanical locks that have worked reliably for decades and will continue to do so for decades more. Consumer Reports gives it a predicted 5 out of 5 reliability rating. Owners are reporting just 0.3 problems per vehicle in the first 5 years, a number that's almost impossible to beat. Projected major repair costs over 10 years sit at just $2,800. After 5 years, it still holds 72% of its original value. The GX550 isn't just a reliable SUV, it's a smart financial decision that pays you back. Number 6. 2026 Kia Telluride. The brand that stopped being a joke and became a real threat. There was a time when recommending a Kia alongside luxury brands would end the conversation. That time is officially over. The 2026 Telluride is powered by a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6, no turbo, no intercooler, and no complex forced induction system waiting to fail at 90,000 miles. Just a simple, proven engine making 291 horsepower that runs cooler, cleaner, and longer than most turbocharged alternatives. Fewer components means fewer things that can go wrong. That's not opinion, it's basic engineering. But the real game changer is the warranty, 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Kia isn't offering this because it sounds good in ads. They're offering it because they're genuinely confident the vehicle won't break. Compare that to BMW's typical 4-year, 50,000-mile coverage. That difference tells you everything about who actually believes in their product. Odor reported problems are 48% below the segment average. Projected major repair costs over 10 years are just $2,200. At around $50,000 fully loaded, the Telluride is beating vehicles that cost $25,000 more, and it's winning the reliability battle hands down. Number 5. 2026 Toyota 4Runner. 15 years later, still untouchable. The previous 4Runner lasted 15 years on basically the same platform. Toyota didn't keep it that long because they were lazy. They kept it because it worked and customers refused to stop buying it. The 2026 model brings a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder producing 278 horsepower. While some raised eyebrows at a turbo 4Runner, this engine has already proven itself over 5 years in the Tacoma, Tundra, and several Lexus models. The reliability data is already there, and it's solid. The four-wheel drive system uses real mechanical locking differentials instead of electronic clutch packs that can burn out or software systems that can glitch. These are simple, mechanical locks that have worked reliably for decades and will continue to do so for decades more. Consumer Reports gives it a predicted 5 out of 5 reliability rating. Owners are reporting just 0.3 problems per vehicle in the first 5 years, a number that's almost impossible to beat. Projected major repair costs over 10 years sit at just $2,200. At around $50,000 fully loaded, the Telluride is beating vehicles that cost $25,000 more, and it's winning the reliability battle hands down. Number 4. 2026 Honda Pilot Trail Sport, the invisible overachiever. Honda doesn't chase headlines. Honda builds vehicles that mechanics rarely see inside the shop. The Pilot Trail Sport is powered by a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 that has been in continuous production with only minor changes for over a decade. When an engine stays largely unchanged for that long, it's not stagnation, it's proof that it already works extremely well. The 10-speed automatic transmission faced early skepticism because more gears usually mean more potential failure points, but Honda's execution has been excellent. 3 years of real-world data shows it's as durable as simpler transmissions. The Trail Sport's off-road upgrades are mechanical and straightforward. Taller springs instead of air suspension, heavier-duty shocks instead of adaptive dampers. These solutions work just as well at 200,000 miles as they do at 10,000 because there's no software to fail and no sensors to break. It offers 3 proper adult-sized rows and a massive 113 cubic feet of cargo space with seats folded, class-leading by a noticeable margin. Owner-reported problems run 35% below the class average. 10-year major repair projection is $2,500. 5-year resale value holds at 67%. The Pilot Trail Sport does everything well and nothing poorly. In the world of reliability, that's the highest possible compliment. Number 3. 2026 Mazda CX90 plug-in hybrid, the luxury disruptor nobody expected. Mazda built the CX90 PHEV to answer a question most buyers weren't asking loudly enough. Why should you have to choose between luxury, performance, and long-term reliability? It combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with an electric motor for a total of 323 horsepower. The hybrid system is deliberately simple, a parallel setup where the gas engine and electric motor work independently or together, avoiding complex planetary gear arrangements that can create more failure points. The plug-in battery delivers 26 miles of pure electric range, enough for most daily commutes without burning any fuel. The 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery uses liquid cooling instead of air cooling, which keeps temperatures stable and significantly slows down degradation. Many owners are seeing less than 10% battery capacity loss even at 150,000 miles. At around $55,000, the interior competes with vehicles costing $30,000 to $40,000 more. Real maple wood, Napa leather, and a Bose sound system that journalists regularly compare to 6-figure luxury cars. But beyond the materials, the build quality is what lasts. Tight panel gaps, 0 vibrations, and nothing that rattles or loosens over time. Early owner data shows problem rates 31% below the class average. 10-year repair projection is $3,200, with 5-year resale value holding at 67%. Number 2. 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, the vehicle financial advisors quietly recommend. If you sat down with a financial advisor and asked them to recommend an SUV based purely on long-term cost of ownership, they would likely hand you the keys to the Highlander Hybrid. This powertrain delivers 244 horsepower from a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with electric motors while returning an impressive 36 mpg combined. That's better fuel economy than many compact crossovers, and it comes from a proper 3-row SUV. The transmission is technically a CVT, but it's nothing like traditional belt-driven CVTs. Toyota's system uses planetary gears and electric motors with no belts or clutches to wear out, making it far more durable than the name suggests. The rear axle uses an electric motor instead of a mechanical driveshaft, eliminating an entire category of maintenance-prone parts. Consumer Reports gave the Highlander Hybrid a perfect 5 out of 5 predicted reliability score. Owner-reported problems are an incredible 73% below the segment average.
The most common complaint? That acceleration feels a little relaxed. That's not a flaw, it's conservative tuning designed to make the components last longer. 10-year major repair projection is just $1,600. 5-year resale value holds at 67%. Number 1. 2026 Lexus TX500H, the highest reliability score ever recorded. Everything on this list has been leading up to this one. The Lexus TX500H is a 3-row luxury hybrid SUV that earned Consumer Reports' highest ever predicted dependability score for an SUV, a perfect 5 out of 5, based on the most comprehensive data they've ever analyzed. It uses the same turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain found in the Lexus RX, where 2 years of real-world data shows near-zero major failures. Toyota didn't take big risks here. They scaled up a proven system. The hybrid battery features advanced liquid cooling and thermal management that works in both extreme heat and cold. Toyota hybrid batteries are famous for losing less than 10% capacity even at 200,000 miles. Lexus specifically chose a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission over a CVT for maximum long-term durability. But the engineering goes even deeper. Lexus tests every single component through 100,000 operational cycles before approving it. Door handles, seat mechanisms, climate controls, everything. By the time a TX500 reaches a customer, every moving part has already been heavily validated in the lab. The warranty backs up that confidence. 4 years, 50,000 miles comprehensive, 6 years, 70,000 miles powertrain, and 8 years, 100,000 miles on hybrid components, plus 2 years of complimentary maintenance. Financially, it makes even more sense. Starting at $68,000, Lexus SUVs retain about 70% of their value after 5 years. Compare that to a BMW X7 that starts at $85,000 and retains only 49%. The Lexus ends up being dramatically cheaper to own over time. Projected longevity exceeds 350,000 miles, with a 10-year major repair projection of just $1,200, the lowest on this entire list. This isn't the fastest or flashiest SUV of 2026, but it's the one that will still be running strong long after others have been retired. And in the end, that's the only metric that truly matters. 10 SUVs, one clear pattern. The most reliable vehicles come from manufacturers that choose proven engineering over flashy new technology and long-term durability over short-term wow factor. The least reliable ones do the opposite, rushing new platforms and complex systems that impress on a test drive but start causing problems right after the warranty ends. You can buy the exciting one and spend thousands on repairs while watching it lose most of its value, or you can buy the dependable one, spend far less on maintenance, and get most of your money back when you sell it. One is a smart financial decision, the other is an expensive lesson. If you're shopping for an SUV right now, which one from this list would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments below. Subscribe and share this with anyone who's about to make a big purchase. It might save them a lot of money and headaches down the road.